So I did go to O'Reilly's and get a engine diagnostic tool and brought it back in. They said it was a cylinder number 2 misfire. Um, and I figured it was something related to that or the fuel because I had to change the fuel pump out on this Forerunner, which was inside the tank. Fucking sucked. I mean, it wasn't terrible though, but yeah, it smells like ass, so it's definitely misfiring. I think I'm gonna make it home okay. I don't think you should drive on a misfiring engine, but it's a Toyota fucking Forerunner, right? I'd probably drive this thing across country right now. It's very shaky though, and so we'll see. I'm hoping it's just cleaning the spark plug or, replacing that single spark plug or the boot that's associated with it, and I'll go from there.